Hi, to set different wallpaper on lock screen and home screen on iPhone, first thing you're gonna do is go in your phone settings. Now just start scrolling down to find this section Wallpaper, and then you should see this tab with your current wallpaper. So to change it, click blue button Add New. And now you can pick something from those categories such as featured, weather and astronomy, kaleidoscope, emoji, and so on. So don't forget to swipe left to check all of the options. And also you can add something from your photos. You can set live photo, photo shuffle, emoji, color, weather, and astronomy. So for the lock screen, let's pick emoji. For example, this one. Now you can change style, something like that. You can also change font and color, as well as add widgets, change complications, change color, like that. And when you're done, just click Add. And right now we need to pick to customize home screen separately. So click on it, and you can either use this pair and blur background, or you can click on your photos and pick something from your library. For example, let's choose this photo. Of course, you can adjust it and then click Done to set it as your home screen wallpaper. And then again, click Done. Now let's check our home screen. And on lock screen, we can see different wallpaper. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.